Hi pupils, good morning. Welcome to Misting English Learning Time. Today we're going to learn something new again. It's same as the theme for the nature around us. Today we're going to look into some more nature around us. The first one. What is this? Do you know what is this? This is a moon. 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 What is this? Moon. Moon. When can you see a moon? During night time. Moon 是几时出现呢？在晚上 night time. Okay. At night, what can you see beside moon? You can also see stars. What is this? Stars. What are these? Stars. 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 星星 stars. Okay. What is these two? These two are sky. What are these two? Sky. 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 天空。那这是几时的天空呢？When what is the time for this sky? Morning. In the morning you can see sun, cloud. In the morning it is bright. So this is the sky for the morning time and evening time. Now, what is this? This is what is this? This is night time. At night, you can see stars and moon as well. 晚上呢是暗的，也可以看到星星和月亮。Stars and moon. What is this? This is tree. Tree. What is tree? 树。Now, let's revise all the four things in the nature. The first one, moon. 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 What is moon? 月亮. What is this? Stars. 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 What are stars? 星星. What is this? Sky. Sky. The last one. What is this? Tree. Tree. Again, what is the color for the moon? Yellow. And also for the stars, it's yellow. The sky is at night. So the sky is dark blue or black in color. In the sky, you can see stars and the moon. The stars and the moon are yellow in color. The last one, what is this? Tree. What are the color for the tree? It's brown and green in color. Now that's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe and bye bye.